welcome you back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you just simple trick how to make money with your Roqqu account. Okay guys, this Roqqu account, the trick I'm going to show you, you will like it and you will enjoy it. You will always, every day at least, you will make up to 100k every day, every blessed day. Just watch out. First thing here, if you are new, you don't have Roqqu account, the first thing to do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and download Roqqu account. Okay guys, so this is the Play Store. Now you have to just write Roqqu. You can see that Roqqu app there. So this is what you have to download. Okay, but if you have, don't worry, we meet in the Roqqu now. So it's because I have Roqqu, you can see that it's telling me to update. Okay guys, so now next thing to do is to go back to my Roqqu account. So I'm going back to the Roqqu account now. Okay, all right, now so let me log into my Roqqu account and start today business. All right guys, this is Roqqu account guys. So the simple trick I will tell you in order to make 100k in a day, this trick is legit. It's not that you do this, you do that. No, it is coming from the Roqqu directly. So just cool down, this one is legit. So you make it, and let me show you what to do. The first thing here is to do, look at this crypto. I mean this one. Look at this one. This is what I mean. This crypto, this one and this one, Hive and Steam. Do you see that? So these two crypto is the one you will be using. Okay, for instance, you can see this Hive now. Hive is 351 naira 35 kobo. Okay, all right, how will you do it? This is the trick now. First thing, you have to register with two accounts. Okay, let me use myself as a case study now. I have a Roqqu account of which I'm using with my phone now. Okay, the second one is that I have to use my link to open another Roqqu account with a friend, a trusted friend, or your sister, of which you can have access to the phone. Hope you are getting me now. If I'm communicating, let's continue. Okay, so immediately you use this referral to open that one, you will now be operating with that account. How will you be operating with that account? Is that by taking out a transaction. You buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. And then the reason I ask you to choose, the reason I ask you to choose this Hive and Steam is because these two crypto has zero fees. As you are doing this transaction, you buy, you sell, there are no charges there. Okay, that is the reason I ask you to choose this. You can also do more research on other crypto, whether they have fees or not. Okay, so this, what I will show you now is that you now come down to look at this place. Look at this place now. This place, you can see what I told you, that is legit. That is, refer your friends and earn 0.5% on all their transactions. Every transaction you are making with that phone, you will be making 0.5 percent. Okay, so let me take you to my calculator now and see exactly what I mean. Whether you have big money or you have small money, there is no how you will be making your money profit every day. Every day, just be using the other phone to transact. Okay, for instance now, I transact 200,000, okay, times 0.5 divided by 100. Guys, I'm making 1,000 naira for just one transaction. I buy, when I buy, I sell, I deposited again. With that your friend, trusted friend account you are using, okay, you know you be the one to have access to it and you'll be using it. Okay, let's assume you now do this transaction 10 times, that is 10,000 naira. You do it 20 times, that is 20,000 naira. You have a time to do it 100 times. You are making what? 100k, guys, without doing anything. It's a legit, there's no abracadabra in this one. Okay guys, so let me now go back to Roqqu Wallet now. So since we know exactly what to do in this app, so why can't you go ahead and do the same thing here? But mind you, you have to be verified. If you are not verified, you cannot perform this action. You must verify very well. Make sure you verify. When you verify, you can start making this trick and you will make money. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So guys, as you can see here, I'm not a financial advisory, but any opportunity that comes that I've tested and I've tried it, I will definitely come to my community, to my YouTube channel, to let you know, so that you too, you can practice it and enjoy it. When I'm happy, you also happy, guys. Okay, so if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next update. Peace.